Good day to you. Today I'm going to make a pussycat treehouse, and I'm going to start with a branch that I cut off our tree in the front garden, a bit of the kitchen worktop. I needed something like this for the weight at the bottom, and then what I'm going to do, cover that base in some cork sheets. I got that off another job. Of course, going to use some of my pallet wood left over from the pallet wood bathroom floor, link somewhere. I'm going to biscuit them together using big. I tested it out. If you saw one of my shorts, I tried it out just to see if it worked fine. It's good. It stays together. It's just enough to thickness there to put a biscuit in. So I'll be doing that. Also, some bits and pieces. I've got so much stuff. My wife gets a bit annoyed sometimes. I just hauled all the wood and bits and pieces ever. This is a bit of broomstick from a broom that was delivered to site the other day, and it was broke, so I had that. Biscuits. Oh, plastic pipe, 6-inch. I'll be using that. That was from another job. And the carpet. That's from a different job. Really nice carpet. Can't say where it come from or anything, but thank you, Your Royal Highness. Nah, I wasn't joking. He wouldn't let me anywhere near his place. And that's it, really. We'll see how it goes. This is for the some jute stringy stuff. And that's about it. I'll make it up as I go along. I've got a rough idea what I want to do. And like normal, I've used the CAD machine. In this case, it's a Cat machine. And my wife kind of drew some little bits and pieces on it as well to give me ideas. But it's for the scrap wood challenge. I've forgotten the hashtag. Scrap wood. Hold on. No, it's not scrap wood. It's offcuts. Offcuts only. 23. There you go. I got there in the end. I think it was anyway. So I'll start by trying to fix this to the base first and see how I can get the flat cut on the bottom. I'm going to add bits to it. I might stick that through the tree or something to hang it off. I'm going to use different bits and pieces. I've got loads of stuff around here, really. All off cuts, by the way. All right, give it a go. Top of the tree there's going to be a hut, and I've got loads of this pallet wood left over from the pallet wood bathroom floor, so I thought I'll link there. So I thought I'd make the walls and the roof out of it. And I'm going to use biscuits. I've never biscuit jointed it before, so I don't know how it's going to work, but I did it the other day and it's quite solid. So once it's fixed together in a box, she'll be fine. So I'll do the rest of that whilst the glue's going off.
It's the only way I take the arrow every time. I take the arrow every time.
that's the penthouse finished. The next thing, as you probably saw in the video, this carpet is only stuck on by double-sided sticker tape, and it's not very strong stuff, so it should be easy. So we can take it off and wash it to keep the pussycats happy. And now I've got to find a way of putting that on there. There we go. Don't need, no fixings needed. The best thing to do, keep that level, is I'm going to set up a laser and try and laser it around.
Make me all blind with your civil rights. You demand that I euthanize your name. Walk ahead. You cover us in shame and I take the blame. Living by them rules, teen witch, high school blues. Walk ahead. You cannot keep provoking, and blood red sun starts choking. Can anyone stand this nonsense? Eating away, telling us to stop and obey, to stop and obey. Now rats can shine and jokers got silver lining, and Holy Mary sings songs in the wet rain. Walk ahead, walk ahead. Now every new day is a new fire. Onto my teeth, call me a liar. Building as you rip, someone show me someone living of desire.
These are oak spindles that were left over from a staircase on the site, so they've been kicking around for years, so I thought, why not use them? Nice.
And this nonsense.